Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the color of your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in my dashboard right now, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your online store section in the left of your screen. This will take you directly to the themes page where you'll see your currently selected theme, and you can click on customize to further customize your website. Now, once you're here, as you can see, I already changed my design from the original one. Originally, the background was white and the text is black. So I'm going to show you how you can change this further. You can go ahead and go into theme settings and then go into colors. Now here you'll see a couple of schemes which you can change, and you can change them by clicking on them. And as you can see, you can change the background, the gradient if you want. You can change the text color, the solid button background, solid button label, outline button, and shadow. And I'm going to change, for example, the background back to white. And as you can see, it has changed it back. However, there is no text because the text is originally white, or it is originally black, but I set it to white. Now I'll just change it back to black, or rather I'm going to change it to red, for example. And as you can see, the text is now red. I'm going to go ahead and add a background gradient, for example, such as this. And now, as you can see, we have that gradient right over here. And I'm not exactly sure how I can change it, but as you can see, it changed it, and that is exactly how you change the colors of your site. Again, you can go into whichever scheme you want, and then you can very easily just change the colors by selecting new ones. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.